Alright, so welcome back to JFT Riddles, and this is the item in question. So it contains of many small parts. And yeah, this is the same, but only like zoomed out a little bit. And this happens when you put this stuff in water. And I have to be honest, I expected a little bit more. Maybe I'll need to make like a long time shot of this at some point. Yeah, and also reflection is of course here. The water reflects the light, and the camera, the microscope, has a built-in light. Hey, that you know, my friend. So let's guess what it is. Write a comment, and yeah, the stopper comes right now. Now it's solution time, and this actually came up with one of the questions with one of my players, and it's salt. Here we go. And I put, oh, this is a lot of salt. And I put it on top of this black thing so that we have a better contrast and see the little salt things, crystals. What is it? Pieces. Alright. I guess a lot of you got it right this time. Maybe I will also do sugar, and we will see the difference between salt and sugar under the microscope. So, thanks for playing, and thanks for watching, and see you soon.